Hi guys, my name is Shrikant Idam. Today I'm going to show you how to create Amazon AWS free tier account. In order to create, in the browser type Amazon free tier account. You will find the URL here. Click on the URL. So before you create the account, let me show you something. This account will be free for 12 months. It means 1 year. And Amazon AWS provide many services and you can use it for trial as well. If you create a EC2 instance, you can use it for 750 hours, and if you want to upload any data in Amazon S3, it is 5 GB limited and it is valid for 12 months. And if you want to work on database, you can use it for 750 hours. So depending upon your requirement, you can select in this category and you can find the options here. So now let's create the account. Click on create a free account. Enter the email address. Give the password. Password is case sensitive. You can see here it needs to have uppercase letter, lowercase letter and numbers and non-alphanumeric characters. Okay. Now click on continue. Okay. So which account you want to use? Are you using it for business or for personal? We will select personal. You can enter your name details. So phone number is mandatory. I will give something else. Address. Now click on agree. Click on next. Are you getting an error message? Valid. Okay, here I have not selected India. Click on India. Okay, fine. Click on continue. So here you have to enter your credit card or debit card number. Okay, in case if you are using any other services in Amazon, for example if you are adding any extra storage more than 30 GB, they are going to charge for it. Okay, or if you are going to use instance more than 750 hours, you are going to get charged for it. If you want any other instance with good hardware configuration, you have to pay for it. So you have to enter these details. In case if you are not using anything extra and you are using only free tier eligible, then you will be not charged. Okay, so just enter your details here. That's it, your account will be created. Thank you for watching guys. Meet you in next class.